Tired of wrestling with messy, copied text that ruins your document's look? Today, we're going to banish those unwanted backgrounds and formatting for good, making your Word documents look effortlessly clean and professional. First, let's imagine you've copied some text from a website or another document you pasted into your Microsoft Word document, and bam! You're faced with a chaotic mix of fonts, colors, and perhaps even those annoying colored backgrounds. Don't worry, we've got a simple solution. As soon as you paste the text, you'll notice a small icon appear right below the pasted content. This is your Paste Options button. It's the key to unlocking perfectly clean text. Click on that little icon. A small menu will pop up with different ways to paste. We're looking for the option that clearly indicates we want to keep only the pure text. It's usually labeled Keep Text Only or something similar, often represented by an icon with just the letter inside a box. Click on that Keep Text Only option. Instantly, you'll see all that pesky formatting disappear. The text will revert to your document's default font and size, and any unwanted backgrounds or colors will be gone. It's like magic for your words. Now, with your text clean and free of those formatting distractions, you can easily apply your desired styles, headlines, and any other formatting without fighting against the pasted mess. This simple trick will save you so much time and prevent those frustrating formatting headaches, ensuring your documents always look polished and consistent.